Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's take a closer look at stamina batteries from Telesin. These batteries in here are direct competitors to the original GoPro Enduro batteries, which are designed to withstand cold weather environment and extend your battery life overall. Telesin is really proud that stamina batteries can power on at -10 or even -20 degrees Celsius, while other batteries cannot really do that. So are they really more reliable than others? Well, there's only one way to find out. Telesin also claims that stamina batteries offer almost the same performance as enduro batteries from GoPro. I tested it recording in 5K 60, and after 20 minutes of recording I got like 60% of battery left. So I checked it again, and after 40 minutes I got like 16% of battery in it. Eventually, the camera stopped recording after 57 minutes, which is by 2 or 3 minutes more than what I got with Enduro battery when I first got it. I tested it again, and this time using 4K 60, and after 40 minutes of recording, stamina battery was at 30%, and I managed to record for a whole hour when the camera finally powered off, which is by 4 minutes less than what I got with Enduro battery. Unfortunately, I don't have a new Enduro battery with me, so I compare my test results to my older battery test when Enduro battery was still brand new, and it looks like the battery life is pretty similar. So I must admit that I tested these batteries with GoPro 11, 10 and 9, and there were no error messages, so it seems that these batteries are fully compatible. You know, when I was testing batteries from some other brands, I had various issues such as unstable battery percentage, or the battery pop out a message like it's too cold or something. So I must admit that stamina batteries don't have such issues. So this is what Telesin Stamina Battery has to offer. And this battery in here costs around $21, which is slightly cheaper than the original GoPro Enduro battery, which is around $25. You can purchase 3 of them to save around $8 on official Telesin website. I had to reshoot this whole part trying to come up with some kind of a summary to this video. Are these batteries better than the original ones? Well, I always gonna recommend the original batteries first, but I must admit that stamina batteries are definitely much better than the old blue batteries from GoPro. But is stamina battery better than GoPro Enduro battery? Honestly, it's a really good question. I would say they are pretty damn close, if not almost identical. I only wonder how Telesin Stamina Battery gonna be reliable over time. But as of now, after testing it for a while, I can say that these are probably the best alternative that you can get if you don't want to get the original for some reason or you can't get it. They are really good, they work, and honestly, I cannot say anything bad about them. Alright guys, so for today's video, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!